Yo, what's up guys? So today I finally received something that I've been waiting for a very long time. My birthday was on February 24th, but and this, whatever is in this package, I know what it is, but whatever is in here was supposed to be here. But because of the extras that I got on it, it took a while because of back orders and whatnot, but a few weeks later it's finally here and I cannot wait to open this. So let's get to it. And I actually got this from NIKY'S Sports. They're a store out of California, soccer store, and they have lots of great stuff. You guys should check them out. So this is just a little thing, a little invoice. Alright, so NIKY'S Sports, here it is. I'll let you guys take a look. NIKY'sports.com. I'll probably put the link in the description as well. Oh, I can see what's through. Oh my god. Oh man. That's right. Got the Arsenal 2013-2014 away kit, a long sleeve, with my favorite defender, Koscielny. Never had a long sleeve jersey before, so I'm hoping this fits. It's adult small. So from now on, I'll probably just let you guys take a look at it. They did a very good job on this. And it looks like the lettering is black. It's actually a dark navy blue. Victoria Concordia Crescent, victory through harmony. Gotta love it. Arsenal. Yeah. Whew. As you can tell, I'm happy. Actually, tomorrow is North London Derby. Play Tottenham, so down with those spuds. London is always red. I guess I can throw it on real quick, and I guess I'll show you something else that I got. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's Arsenal crest. It says Arsenal the Gunners. Is on sale for $7.99. It's usually I think a $25 necklace. I said, you know what? Why not? I have Arsenal with me at all times. So I'll throw this on real quick. Oh yeah. And I got the blue pants on. Fits perfectly. Oh yeah. So let's see. Here's the fit on the waist. And I'm 5'7", 5'7.5", so that helps you out. And skinny. And it fits really well. There's it with the sleeves. So as you can see, this fits great. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have more videos for you. Like and subscribe. Thanks.